actually just going to turn the whole thing on and see at what point we get a response.
Did he have behavioral thresholds before?
Oh, good one. He was down at the profound range, and I don't recall us getting very much at all, did we?
No.
So when you turn the whole thing on, what does he hear? Conversation, or is it more beeping?
Our adult patients say that it sounds like Charlie Brown's teacher, like wah 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 wah, that kind of thing.
Okay.
You know, but it's a little more interesting at least.
Yeah.
So.
Right. Oh. You wanna wear it? You can wear it.
I'm just gonna start low. All right. I'm gonna turn it on. He may jump.
Hey, buddy. Hey.
Hi.
What is it?
Hi.
It's okay.
Oh, buddy.
Okay. It's alright.
So that's good. It's a reaction at least that
Hey.
it's on, and he can
Hey.
recognize it as different.
Hey.
Hey, that's good.
Hi.
Good. I know.
Why are you yelling at me?
Hey. Can you hear us?
Yeah, Kaden. Kaden. Are you waving?
Yeah.
Bop, 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 bop. Bop, 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 bop.
What is that?
Hi. Hello.
Is it making you shy? Yeah?
What is it?
Yeah.
What is it? He's all right. I'm gonna
So
keep.
interesting.
Maybe just turning things up a little bit. Uh-oh. Bop, 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 bop. Bop, 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 bop. Bop, 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 bop.
Kaden. Hi.
Bop, 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 bop. What was that? What was that? None of my babies have been crying lately when I do this. Y'all are just happy. Hi.
We've been preparing you for it.
Hi. What?
Hmm.
You didn't know that sound came out when people's lips moved,
What
did
in
you?
the world?
I'm going to turn them off again, give them a second of silence, and we're going to turn them back on, see if we get another response.
What do you think?
It's a little bit arbitrary on the first day. I mean, there's no real science to how we do this. We kind of just guesstimate
Dive
a little
in.
bit.
Yeah.
When he comes back in, we're going to do it in a month, aren't we? Yep. So when he comes back in a month, we're going to put him in the sound booth and do some testing.
Oh, okay.
Hey. All right. I'm going to turn him back on.
Okay. Here it comes. You ready?
I'll tell you when.
You can watch. You think you can watch?
What are you doing? All right, here we go. On. Hi.
Oh, you hear it. Kaden. You hear it?
Good job.
It's okay.
Hey, buddy.
Hi.
know.
So not a cry, but an out.
Yeah, hey.
You say bop 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 bop.
Oh my goodness.
That's so funny. There's not a lot of blinking. He just closes his eyes. Bop 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 bop. You heard that?
Where is
His
that?
big old eyes.
Oh.
Uh-oh. You want me to get it? Yeah. Yes, please.
Thank you.
Oh.
You're good at that. again. I caught it. I caught it. Oh.
Bop, 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 bop. So typically if it's too loud, with when you make loud sounds like I just did, you'll see them blinking a lot or they'll start screaming, something like that. You're going to take all my tissues, aren't you?
Mm-hmm.
Good job.